357 Ultimo Avenue, a stunning 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom Mediterranean villa in Alamedas Heights. Moments from Gulf and the Southern California coast. A home of style, spaciousness, beauty, character, plus incredible casual graciousness, ease, warmth, quality, and resort-like serenity. Only minutes from fairways and the lagoon, the waterfront, and the university in prestigious Alamedas Heights. Pause on the garden walk or in the gated spa courtyard and feel the ocean breezes. Then enter through leaded glass doors and arched foyer passage to the fireside living room and formal dining room. The central garden atrium is enchanting. Sun-filled, the kitchen is warmly embracing, opening to the cathedral-beamed family room with glass doors to the secluded rear patio and garden terraces. The downstairs bedroom wing includes a luxurious primary suite, an office bedroom, guest bathroom, plus laundry and garage. A central staircase, dramatized by a leaded glass window, ascends to a bathroom, bedroom, and upper suite retreat with a bathroom and walk-in closet. Truly, Alamedas Heights living at its best.